Okay, what's up guys, it's Hank from Real Hank Gaming. Today I'm just testing this right now. Why? Oh yeah, it's Tyty. Sorry, that was a... No, I'm not. Dude, I'm not even gonna put this on YouTube, I'm just testing it. I don't know. To practice. Okay, so today we'll play VTOL VR. I mean, my Tyty has tried this many times, and he's decent at it. Decent. You need to learn the hitboxes for the joystick or else you'll die. Very easily. And then we have this awkward little guy right here. Awkward little guy right here. Nav. Radar. I see that plane taking off in front of me. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, so you guys have a better view, then we're gonna go to spectator cam and we're gonna go to camcorder and start. Okay, so now you can see me. Hey guys. I got my little bobbly guy. It's a vlog inside of a game. Whoa. Okay, so should I just put you back here, like attached to the seat like that? Do you guys like that? No. I'm gonna put it like maybe like right here, like right above my head. Nah. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to chase. There we go. Now it's in chase. Nah, you know what? We're just go to whatever I see you see. So if I wanted to, I could just go to the I could just go to this S cam. When I click on home, I could go to there, and I can click on camcorder, and it looks like I'm vlogging. Right, Ty? The vlog camera. No, I don't have it on right now. You see what I see. Wait, what the heck? Oh, fudge, I forgot to turn it off. End. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm really bad at taxiing. Why do I have two bogies on my screen now? If you can see my radar right there. I don't know if those are bogies or just aircraft. I'm still pretty new to this game. They got a decent runway. This is Free Flight 2. Oh, master arm. So I can use my pew-pews. Blah. Look at this sky, it's beautiful. Am I off the ground? Yeah, I'm off the ground.
Landing gear.
Landing gear up. We got a few Yeah, okay, so, you know, just in a little city, but wait, there's a farm in the middle of it. Why is there a farm in the middle of a city? Look, there's a giant city of skyscrapers, and then I can't. There's all those skyscrapers, and then like 5 farms. Look, there's more farms. There's literally 80-story skyscrapers right there. Where's your rig? Over there. Should I go for an oil rig? Get content. My screen is full. Yeah, okay, so about that. I've been doing other stuff like school related because, you know, I'm not that old. What the heck are you washing? Not sponsored.
Altitude.
Die, oil rig. Die. Yes, I got it to blow up.
Pull up.
I destroyed the oil rig. Look.
Over T. Over T.
I got the oil rig. I killed it. And
Over
I
T.
still have
Over T.
4 shots on my thing. Oh, look, I destroyed the oil rig. Victory lap. Woo. Look, the tower fell off and everything.
Altitude.
Be quiet. I'm not gonna collide with anything. Oh, yes, says the person that crashed like 80,000 times.
Pull up.
Tyler, this is a kids' TV show.
Pull up.
Guys, look at all the ammo I have. 4. I have 4 ammo. Okay, I'm out of ammo. I'm gonna show you the ultimate Hank, which I am Einstein in this game. I made my code name Einstein, but I made the ultimate stun. Okay, so full throttle, going straight up. Going straight up. Altitude, as you can see on the HUD or right here, is going up. Okay, and throttle down, let go of the controls. Pull this up a little bit. Okay, boom. I have no control over the plane. So, hey guys, I have no control over this plane. Oh yeah, I should probably just let it fall for a while. As you can see what I see, I have no control over the plane, and it's just stalling. Tyty, you see this? I'm doing my stunt. Grabbing on the controls now. Throttling up.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
Boom.
Pull up. Over T.
Look at how good I am.
Pull up. Pull up. Altitude. Altitude.
I am epic.
Altitude.
Do you see that, Tyler? Spinny, spinny. Oh, what a good time. Spinny,
Over T.
spinny. Hey, Tyler, watch this. Look at this. I am like such a daredevil. Look at this. Look at this.
Pull up.
High ground. I'm just gonna ignore you. I'll fight. Nope. I pulled the ejection level. Dabagoo, 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 dabagoo. Okay, here's Tyty now playing. He doesn't do as much as me. What up, buddy? Is it recording? Yep, Henderson behind me. Bottom. just gonna keep it to where you see what he sees.
You gonna talk?
Yeah, alright, alright. Alright, boys, you're about to see the best player ever. It's a joke. He's, not as good as him. But I'm okay at the game.
You think half that you're just cancel this thing?
Yep, I'm just gonna go on taxiway. And we're out.
Hitbox. Remember hitbox.
Don't talk about that.
Just look to your left and right to make sure your wings are still there.
Wing's still there. We're all good. That was not a good start. At least this video is not going on YouTube. Right, Henry? Now it isn't. Oh, what the?
He died.
I need to try this again.
And that was our first VTOL VR. Like I said, maybe I'll post this in a later episode as a in a later time as a
Video.
how do you call it, like a behind the scenes.
Oh, a compilation of us crashing.
Yeah.